Do you want to know how I created this simple website? Watch till the end. Google Sites is a website creation and publishing platform offered by Google. It provides a straightforward, drag-and-drop interface for building websites, making it accessible to a wide range of users, including individuals, small businesses, educators, and organizations. Now this is how to access the Google Sites app. Log into your Google account, locate, and click on the waffle or Google Apple icon. If Sites isn't there, click on More from Google and scroll down till you find it since it is arranged in alphabetical order. Once it takes you to the page, you will see some templates like Family Update, Portfolio, and others, but we will create from scratch. Click on Blank to start. Here you will find your text box which contains the title of your page. You can change the title banner to any type by clicking the header type beside the image icon on the lower left-hand side of the title text box. Click on the image icon to upload an image for your banner. Make sure you download your pictures first. You can download free pictures from Pexels.com and Pixabay.com. Make sure you create a folder to save all the pictures you will use for your website in that folder. Next, all you need to do is click the text box and type the title. You can expand the text box to accommodate the words by taking the mouse pointer to the circle on the sides. You can format the text to your satisfaction. Format means making changes to the text by changing the font name like Lotto or Arial, change the font size to 60 or so, make it bold, align the text to the center and so on. You can also duplicate the text box or delete it if you don't want it. Click on the three dots to see more formatting options. Next, we will look at the pane located on the right-hand side of the page. First is the Insert tab. The Insert tab has tools like text box, images, calendar, and a lot more. Next is the Pages tab. Here you can add pages to your website by clicking on the plus sign at the bottom right and then typing a title like About Us and Contact Us. You can also rearrange the pages by clicking and dragging them to where you want it to be. So if you want to add a subpage or delete a page, there are three dots beside the words. I know you can't see it, but it is there. Click and you will see options like Subpage, Delete, and others. Next is the Themes tab. It allows you to change the outlook of your website. Just choose the one you want. It is time for us to add tools to the page, so go ahead and do so. Here, I am just uploading pictures on each frame and typing texts. You can think of what you want to add to yours. I like giving a name to each site that I create. Do the same, please. Here, I am still uploading more pictures and typing more so potential customers can know more about my business. You can also click on the footer option to type the copyright message there. Next, click on the About Us page to add more information about your business. Please, take your time. I also added a divider which is basically a line to separate the work done in order to make it look neat. Next, click on the Contact Us page to add information there. It is time to preview our work by clicking on the icon that looks like a laptop. Previewing helps us to view our website in real form. You can also click on the other icons to preview on tablet and phone mode. To exit from the previewing mode, just click on the X button located at the bottom right. The final part is to publish your website. Click on the Publish button on the upper part of the page and give it a website name. You can also click on the Manage option to change the setting of how you want your website to be viewed. Then click on the Publish button. Then click on the drop-down arrow beside Publish and click on View Published Website. If you want to make changes or add more information, just click on the drop-down arrow beside the Publish button and click on Unpublish. If you don't do so, anything you add will not be reflected. Thank you for watching.